Every frequent flyer needs a good carry-on. And even if you travel only occasionally, you'll be glad to have one on hand. But besides allowing you to bypass checked baggage, what makes a high-quality carry-on? If you ask us, it's about capacity, maneuverability, durability, and design. With this in mind, we tested more than 150 carry-ons, including suitcases, duffels, weekenders, backpacks, and underseat bags to see which models check all the boxes. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Travelpro Hardside Spinner. The Travelpro Platinum Elite. Hardside Spinner proved its mettle in our tests, showcasing impressive durability with its polycarbonate shell that withstood bat impacts and falls from tables. Its adjustable handle offers a secure grip, and the self-aligning spinner wheels ensure smooth rolling, albeit with slightly more effort needed on carpeted surfaces. When it comes to packing, expanding the suitcase posed no problem for accommodating clothes and shoes from our list, although it may pose challenges fitting into overhead bins due to the added 2 inches. While a few extra internal pockets would have been appreciated, the overall sturdy design justifies the investment. In summary, this carry-on stands out for its sturdy polycarbonate shell and self-aligning spinner wheels. However, potential buyers should note the limited zippered pockets within the main compartment as a consideration. Number 4. July Carry-On Trunk. This stylish carry-on trunk features a clamshell design that opens right down the middle rather than the 3070 design that many trunks typically have. It feels like a luxury bag thanks to the zipperless clasp closures, ejectable power bank, and multi-stop rubber handle. You can customize the handle to sit at any height you want. We found the trunk super easy to maneuver over different surfaces like carpet and concrete pavers during testing, and it rolled effortlessly on 4 wheels. When we rolled it on 2 wheels, it did slow down slightly, but it was still easy to move, and the weight felt evenly distributed through the bag and handle. We never thought a glossy exterior could be so scuff-proof. The trunk had no scuffs at all even after we pushed it off a counter 3 times. We did manage to give it a few very small dents after hitting the trunk with a baseball bat, but they were barely noticeable. One thing to note is that this trunk has no give because of its hard shell and clasp closures, so you cannot overstuff it, and you have to be more picky with your packing list. Number 3. Away the Carry-On Flex. This durable carry-on manages to be compact and portable while still offering a ton of space inside thanks to 2 large interior compartments and a helpful compression system. You can zip your items in on one side and buckle them in on the other, using the mesh pockets to store smaller items for organization. As all overpackers know, sometimes you just need a few extra inches of space, and the Carry-On Flex features a zipper expander that adds 2.25 inches if you happen to buy 1 souvenir too many on a trip and need to fit it all in on the way home. However, be wary of your airline's overhead bin allowances because using the expander may make your carry-on 1 inch too large, and you may be forced to check it. The expanded dimensions of the bag are 22.7 x 14.7 x 9.6 inches. Other highlights we loved during testing included the smooth wheels that can roll in any direction, the different height options of the handle, and the notch on the underside of the bag that makes it so much easier to lift out of a car trunk into an overhead bin or off of a luggage carousel. The bag also felt very sturdy and tough, with no dents and barely a scratch after we threw it off counters and hit it repeatedly with a baseball bat during testing. Number 2. Tumi Dual Access 4 Wheeled Carry-On. The Tumi International Dual Access Carry-On was a close runner-up to the Samsonite Freeform. It moves like a dream on various types of flooring, thanks to the 4 smooth gliding dual spinner wheels and comfortable telescoping handle. Even after using the bag for 3 months, the wheels never got caught on any surfaces, making it easy to run through the airport or navigate a new city. Made of the brand's signature ballistic nylon, it also passed our baseball bat test with flying colors. We were able to pack everything into the bag's various compartments and loved the flexibility of a removable suitor for trips with dressier attire. The clamshell design also features several interior pockets and compression straps on one half to easily hold our 4-day trip packing list. The front access portion can easily fit a sweater or light layer when the main suitcase isn't stuffed full, or you can use it for tech items or a small makeup bag instead. There are also 2 pockets on the exterior for smaller items like an umbrella and a built-in USB port you can connect to a power bank, sold separately. Though the price is higher than many other carry-ons, this is an investment in an undoubtedly high-quality carrier that will last for years to come. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. We tried lots of excellent suitcases, but the Samsonite Freeform Hardside Spinner was a clear winner. Earning perfect scores in all our tests, it's easy to maneuver on 2 or 4 wheels and rolls smoothly on various surfaces, including carpet and hard flooring. We also like that the aluminum telescoping handle extends and locks with the push of a button. This all-star suitcase has various pockets within the main compartment, and it expands a couple of inches when you need extra space. We were able to pack enough clothes for a 4-day trip, including 2 pairs of shoes, multiple jackets, and 2 toiletry bags. No expansion needed. We wish this carry-on had a zippered section or removable bag for dirty laundry, but it does have a separator to keep your shoes away from your clean clothes. We loved the sleek, minimalist modern design of the Freeform, which comes in 12 hues ranging from white to mint to merlot. After hitting it with a baseball bat, the polycarbonate, high-strength thermoplastic shell remained scuff-free and showed virtually no signs of damage. Even after 6 months of regularly traveling with this bag, it shows no signs of wear and tear, and any scuffs it has accumulated have been easily buffed out. Considering the reasonable price, durable construction, and spacious capacity, we think it's a great choice for frequent flyers and anyone in need of a high-quality carry-on.